Let's say that now you're given the center and a point on the circumference, a point xy. So that means that the center is at 1, 4. So this right here is the center. And this is a point -3, 1. That's all we know. So as of now, we know that the center is at h, k. So if the center is at 1, 4, that would make our h 1 and our k 4. So we can already plug those values on the equation. So that's going to be x minus 1 and y minus 4. And we're missing the radius. So for now, we know that this is going to be x minus 1 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals the radius squared. So we can do one of two things. We can use the distance formula to find the distance from C to P, or we can just plug the values x, y on the formula. Is the same thing because the distance formula and the standard form of the equation come from the same place. So if I go for this formula already and I substitute x and y, I'm going to have an x of -3, and I already have a -1 squared plus a y of 1 -4 squared equals the radius squared. So I'm going for the radius, which is this distance right here. So that's -4 squared plus -3 squared. That's going to be our radius squared. So let's square the first value. 16 plus 9 is our radius squared. So that's 25 is our radius squared. So our radius will be the square root of 25 equal to 5. So now we know that the radius is 5. We have completed the standard form of the equation, and we can finish sketching the circle, meaning that from the center, we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 this way. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 this way. And then we do our best to sketch the circle.